using Moto, I for the first couple years, I only used the lights that they had built in, or I created a polygon and added a luminous setting and was just kind of makeshift making my own lights that way for a while. And it's just a very time consuming process, and you can only get so realistic. And, when I got to the point where I really wanted to invest in improving that side of things, HDR Light Studio was just kind of a no-brainer. The amount that you get standard with the software, the whole catalog of lights, how realistic they look, the reflections, being able to set the resolution for your HDR output. For any size render, your reflections are going to look sharp and real, and it's very quick to use. You're not grabbing and using handles to shift and move things around. You can just click and drag and move from one side of a set to another.
That's great. So I'm curious to know if HDR Light Studio, does that help you learn lighting better? So does it help you learn the art of lighting?
I would say that it definitely does, because it's the way you're able to layer things. You're able to create a very complex scene in a pretty short amount of time. And especially with the latest update of being able to group things together and save multiple versions out all within one file to test things. Even that has already been, really adopted into the workflow. Like, because I would say that coming from a painting background, I'm used to just creating the light that I need. And so actually having to manually light something, was something that I had to get used to. And, but HDR Light Studio has definitely made it a much easier transition to really kind of push yourself, within a 3D space.